安静。
Hello, my name is Jason, and I will tell you respect is very important in our life. We must respect our school because many people say school is very bad. If we didn't destroy school, I think our school is not very bad. So respect our school is good for everybody. Second, we must respect our parents because parents give us life. If we don't respect them, we are very naughty in accordance with video. Third, we must respect our friends because when you need help, they can help you. If you don't respect them, they may not like you. So we must respect friends. In conclusion, respect people really very important. You can be away with a new student.
Time. Good job. Score.